Okay, we're back at the cabin. About to go wash up so we can cook.
Hey, I gotta get some room foil to wrap that thing with.
Okay. Jenny is tired, honey.
Oh, you better lay down. You okay?
What you pull those out for? It's already did that.
Well, let me go get that room foil so I can call it. So I can like it good. No, what else do you need? Oh.
Okay, let's go check on Shannon.
Hey, Sharon, what quick do you do?
Hanging up on the chalkboard.
Oh, your knee hit my knee. Ooh.
You all right in here? What y'all doing?
We tired.
You what?
We tired.
So you ain't gonna help me cook? You know I ain't holding got.
You ain't got that camera right.
What's going on?
Hold it down. That ain't right. But go
I can't see that.
You right.
Yeah, right on.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
I tried to flip it back around, but I couldn't.
We good. We just tired.
I'm
Yeah, we
tired,
good.
Yeah, that was pulling them down here, going down here.
too. Man, you need that exercise.
That was too much.
You need that.
It was too much. That was too much.
Shannon, I was swimming when I was pregnant. Now I know you can pull a hand.
Identity theft. At LifeLock, we not only want you to identity threats. If you have a problem, we'll spend up to $1 million on lawyers and experts to work to fix it.
Girl, that was a 2-hour trail. I walked over an hour.
Damn, 2 hours.
That wasn't 2 hours right now.
Look, you got to come down over here. The food over here.